Hello children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Today we are going to play Qua-Qua Quiz. So before starting the game, let us understand the rules. With each question, you will get 4 options and you need to pick up only one right answer. And with each right answer, you will get 1 star. So let's start. Are you ready children? So let us start Qua-Qua Quiz with Monami. Your questions will be based on this clip. So let us see the clip first.
One day, Annie the ant was very hungry. She was sniffing for food with her 2 antennae. She saw an apple lying on the mat. She crawled fast to take a nibble. But alas, when poor Annie took a bite, her tooth broke and she cried, ah, 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 ah.
So question number 1. Monami, are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Monami, can you tell me which letter makes the sound ah, ah, ah? Which letter makes the sound ah, ah, ah? Your options are letter A, letter K, letter J or letter E.
It's letter A.
Correct. Very good. And you got 1 star. Our next question. What was Annie using to sniff for food? What was Annie using to sniff for food? Your 4 options are hands, nose, antennae or legs. Is it hands or nose or antennae or legs?
Antennae?
Yes, antennae, right. Annie the ant was sniffing for food with her 2 antennae. Good. Next question. How many antennae does Annie the ant have? How many antennae does Annie the ant have? Antennae, you have to tell the number. 3, 4, 2 or 5?
2 antennae.
Right, very good. Now next, how many different types of sounds does the letter A have? How many different types of sounds does the letter A have? Your options are 3, 2, 4 or 1. How many types of sound does the letter A have?
Letter A has 2 sounds. 2 sounds.
Right, correct. So next round, let us play yes or no. If your sentence is right, then you will say yes. And if it is wrong, then you will say no. Okay, so first sentence. Letter A is a consonant. Letter A is a consonant.
No, miss. Letter A. No.
Yes, right. Letter A is not a consonant. Letter A is a vowel. Yes, letter A is a vowel. Correct. Because it has how many sounds?
2 sounds. 2 sounds.
Yes. Okay, so our next sentence. The sound of letter A is A in April. The sound of letter A is A in April. Is it right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, the sound of letter A is A in April. That is the long sound. Now our next round, choose the right option. You will get 4 options and you need to choose the right one. Which fruit did Annie see lying on the mat? Is it banana, apple, grapes or orange? Is it apple? Yes, right. One more star. Apple, correct. Next question. Which of these places begins with the letter A? School, market, airport or garden? School, market, airport or garden? Airport? Airport? Yes, right. Airport. Correct. Airport is where all airplanes land, take off in the sky and reside when they are not flying. Now next question. Where do ants live? Where do ants live? Your options are anthill, den, nest or coop. Anthill, den, nest or coop. Anthill? Yes, ants live in anthill. Right. Some interesting facts about ants. Do you know, children, ants are as old as dinosaurs. Ants have superhuman strength. They have the ability to carry between 10 and 50 times of their own body weight. Ants have 2 stomachs. One of their stomachs is for holding food for their own consumption, and the second one is to hold food to be shared with other ants. Which of these animals' names begins with the letter A? Let me tell you the options. Crocodile, alligator, tiger or elephant. Crocodile, alligator, tiger or elephant. Alligator? Yes, right. Alligator. Correct. Children, do you know the difference between alligators and crocodiles? Alligators have a wider U-shaped snout, and alligators prefer fresh water, while crocodiles have a pointer V-shaped snout, and crocodiles tend to prefer salt water or combination of salt and fresh water, that is brackish water. So you got all the answers right today. Let us see your report card. How many stars have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Well done, Monami.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, friends. Friends, to answer this question, you need to see Let's Learn with Monami, the sound of letter A.
Now this question is for you, children. Annie the ant was not able to eat the apple because the apple was made of metal, clay, stone or glass. You need to choose the right answer. Before saying bye, let us answer the question of our previous episode. The question was, what did Monami's grandmother pack in her tiffin? Your options are salad, sweets, sandwiches and strawberries, or stuffed mushrooms. The answer is sandwiches and strawberries. See you in our next class, children. Till then, bye. And please do not forget to like,
Subscribe and share our channel.
bye.
Bye friends.